Alright, today we got a SL2 tarmac with full force, some RR 465 rims, DT 240 hubs laced, 2 cross stainless spokes. User complaining of brake issues, brake stutter, brake noise, and we've chased our tail on the wheels and just listening to him, entertaining his thoughts, and in much his disbelief, it's the tire. Lithion 2 is an overlap casing tire. It really doesn't belong on this bike, and as you can see, there's a deviation in the casing. So as this tire runs, it's got a kind of a bump, but as soon as the casing is torqued, it's more pronounced. Causes a bump, 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 bump kind of thing going on. And there's a straight edge there, so you can actually see the deviation in the tire. Really doesn't belong on this bike. And then corresponding to his complaint, saying it's the seam of the rim, which there's the seam there, and there's 9 millimeters of brake surface. It's perfectly, beautifully machined. You can't see a gap in there at all. But notice where the deviation in the tire is right at the valve stem, and if we roll this to where it's going to load on the asphalt, which is directly down here at the about a 5:30 to 6 o'clock position, if we look, the seam in the rim is going to pass at the same time the tire is going to load with the rider's braking force and body weight. So his conclusion was kind of accurate, but this tire really has no place on a bike like this. So there it is.